Hey guys, so today I just received this awesome little webcam called the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite. Let's take a look inside the box and see how it works. So this is the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite 4K webcam. So yeah, let's take a look inside the box. So here's your user manual and instructions. This little box here comes with your USB-C cable in here. And then here's the webcam itself. So yeah, super small and compact. And yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor combined with high 4K resolution to give sharper details, higher dynamic range, and more natural colors to your image. So it's perfect for meetings in the morning or streaming in the evenings. It also has a suite of AI-powered features to help you get the most out of your webcam, such as the AI auto tracking with auto zoom, which can accurately and smoothly track the target and keep you centered in the frame at all times. You can even switch between different tracking modes, such as standard and motion, to fit whatever preference you prefer. You can also choose between different presets like the PTZ position and many more parameters. The features like tracking, image settings, and background blur can all be set beforehand to enhance your workflow and your productivity. It has dual omnidirectional microphones for clear and quality sound with adjustable noise cancellation that maintains high quality sound even when you are in a noisy background. And yeah, I think the mics sound pretty good. I have a fan going and have the windows open. And yeah, I think it sounds pretty clear. So whether you are streaming games or making video calls, you'll never have a moment interrupted. The Tiny 2 Lite even lets you shoot in portrait mode for streaming to mobile apps like TikTok or Twitch. And you can actually pick between 3 different shooting options like landscape, portrait, and upside down shooting. And it also has gesture controls for even easier use, or if you are far away from your keyboard. Just simply put your hand up and the camera will follow you automatically. You can even zoom in and out with a simple L-shaped hand gesture, moving slowly to the side. It also has other features like beauty mode, privacy protection, and much more. And is compatible with many different protocols like OSC, Stream Deck, and SDK to help give you more flexibility in how you use the webcam. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite webcam today. See you.